Greetings viewers, today we're having a look at another dashcam, a 3-channel dashcam at that, the CamPark DC40. Let's have a look. CamPark, name I had not heard previously, nor did I expect to see/own it, considering when I ordered the dashcam the name was stated as CamBase. Not to dwell too much around the name, because I do not think it makes much of a difference anyway, but I do think it is worth mentioning because one of you, the viewers too, could order a CamBase and receive a CamPark instead, and perhaps even the other way around. Not a big deal, merely observation. Be all that as it may, let us have a look at what the product is about. The main camera is housing the cabin camera on the side, which can be adjusted vertically but not horizontally. So, say you would like your cabin camera to capture the driver's side window, you would have to move the whole camera sideways to capture it. That makes the planning part of where to mount the camera important. Looking at the camera from the top, while the lens is facing away, 2 ports are visible. The power mini USB port on the left side and the rear camera port on the right side. The suction cup mount socket is in between those ports and it clicks in place almost effortlessly. On the left side of the camera's housing is the power button and the push-push micro SD card socket, which, according to the documentation, can handle cards with up to 256 gigabytes of capacity. The 5 navigation buttons, as well as the internal microphone, are located at the bottom. As already mentioned, the windshield mount is the suction cup type, and it does a decent job of keeping the camera from moving around more than it has to. When installing, be aware of how much slack the power and the rear camera wires will need to be able to move the camera sideways when, if needed. The rear camera comes with the wire attached. The camera is, again, only vertically adjustable and mounts to the rear shield with a pre-installed adhesive tape. There is also a spare pre-cut adhesive tape in the kit in case the first attempt does not turn out too well. The rear camera wire is long. My vehicle measures more than 570 centimeters or 225 inches long, and even so, I had plenty to spare after the installation. The power cable, on the other hand, I found to be a little too short for a tidy installation at least. Now, the 12 to 5 volt power converter provides 3 milliamps, so do use it. Otherwise, the rear camera will keep shutting down if underpowered onboard USB port is used instead. What you see on your screen is not how the camera records. I put the clips from all 3 cameras together only to demonstrate how in sync the recordings are, and they very much are in sync. 5 minutes of simultaneous recording from all 3 cameras will occupy about 1.3 gigabytes of space on the SD card. Thus, a 64 gigabyte card will only last for so long before the oldest recordings are deleted to make way for the new ones. Day and night recordings from all 3 cameras in full screen coming up. And here is what the sound quality is like. Other than the fact that the micro SD card gets filled up quite fast, I can't really think of anything I would point my finger at this point. And that is a wrap for this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you happen to find this video useful, please do not shy away from clicking the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.